Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been more than a year since I've dropped any video, but today, the 31st of May 2026, 5:45 AM in this amazing weather in Bangalore. Today we are about to go to some dam near Nelmangla Road. तो आज हमारे बॉयज़ ने ब्रेकफास्ट पेड रखा है मॉनसून सीजन में, so I'm all prepared for the rain as well. So the first meetup is going to be in the Parle G factory, which is near your Nelmangla toll site. The meetup is at 6:30 AM. मेरे को आराम से 40 मिनट लगेगा. I have to fuel her up. देखते हैं ऑन द वे कहीं पे अच्छा स्पॉट मिलता है तो भरा देंगे पेट्रोल. यार ये रास्ता इतना खराब क्यों है? फाइनली the roads are smooth now. We had to give you a brief. This was out of the blue trip because our group was going dry. बाद में हमारे पट्टर लोग ने एक मैसेज डाला कि कोई ज़िंदा है क्या, तब जाके थोड़े लोगों ने रिप्लाई किया था. अभी जिन्होंने रिप्लाई किया है बोले चलो चलते हैं करके. एंड हियर वी आर ऑन द वे. So our route is going to be कनकपुरा से अपन RR नगर नागरबावी. वहाँ जाके तुमको अपना वो पीनिया वाला रूट मिलेगा. That's where we are going to connect and that's where our meetup spot is going to be. So this is the RR Nagar route which goes straight towards your Kengeri main road. वो मैसूर रोड वाला स्पॉट पे जाता है. From there you have to take a left towards नागरबावी. The weather is amazing. I like this weather. ऐसे वेदर में हमको वाई नॉट है तो कूद जाना चाहिए, बट करेंगे, प्लान करेंगे. अभी तो वापस आए हैं हम. Helps us miss around 4 to 5 signals, and it comes directly here, and this is where our meetup is. Okay, if I am right, where are our boys? This is not my. अपने नहीं है, ये भी अपने नहीं है. अपने लोग कहाँ हैं? तो meetup was at 6:30. अभी 6:22 हुआ है. The boys are still on the way. So yeah, this is how the weather is today. ये चूतिया देखो. Our 5 both Yamahas. So we have a Royal Enfield. We have 2 Yamahas. And today we are going to. Where are we going? Idior. मटन खाने जा रहे हैं सुबह. और ये वेजिटेरियन है साला. So guys, it's 6:40 and we were supposed to leave at 6:45, but अभी ये भाई अभी आए हैं 10 minutes late with his new vehicle, with his new motorcycle. So we have 2 Yamahas, 1 KTM, 1 RE. There's one more KTM of Suhas who has to come, and he's a guy who's usually on time, but आज वो भी late हो चुका है. So let's see, we'll wait for a while and then we'll start with the flag off. So guys, it's about to be 7 and one of our friend is already ahead. So first stop is the Vaishali restaurant, Royal Enfield, Yamaha KTM. And off we go. So that was the main road we were on. Since we missed the spot, we are going on the wrong side. Ah, yaar, ye service road ka aa raha hai. We had to come from there. Just one mistake, we went forward, U-turn leke abhi aa raha hai. This is actually dangerous coming in the service road. This is the Nelmangla highway. This is our other rider. So we are here. This is the main board. From here it's another 50 kilometers. So all our motorcycles are lined up and ready. Let's go. So guys, we are taking a bit of stretch. KTM, and this guy is going very slow. Show office.
Hello. My tire is wobbling, man.
So this is wobbling, but this guy and me are going good. KTMs are performing good. Nice stop also. Check it out. Must reach up to be okay up and low. So more 15 kilometers to go for our spot. This is the reason why we are going very fast. He is the only reason why we are going very fast.
My bike is a toxic girlfriend. So whenever someone passes me, she doesn't like it.
And that is his vehicle. This is his vehicle.
No number plate, please.
Blur the number plate, it seems. So more 15 kilometers we'll go. Then we'll go to breakfast, then we'll go to our spot. It's very dirty, see? Ganda, 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 hey, ganda, 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 ganda inside. Chalo, chalo. Gear up. So guys, finally we have reached the most famous Vaishali Hotel. So this place is famous for that early morning mutton soup or something. So now we're gonna have some breakfast, and then post this there's a location, ek dam kuch hai, so we're planning to go there. I thought it would be rainy, but the weather seems good. Weather seems promising. And the lineups looks amazing. You can see all Kawasaki ek yahan pe ek Street Triple hai yahan pe. Again Kawasaki here. There's Ducati there. That red color looks amazing on the car. Sorry, red color looks amazing on the bike. यार भूख लगे तब से रुक के पड़े हैं. और भाई का नया KTM, आप कहना चाहते हो आपका 390 कैसा है?
ये तो एक बीस्ट है.
बीस्ट
तो और भी पॉलिश करना पड़ेगा.
इसलिए इतना स्लो चला रहे तब से. पीछे यही पड़ रहा है.
बीस्ट धीरे धीरे वार्म अप हो रहा है.
Crazy. So nice lineup we got there. So guys, after more than a year, finally doing vlog with my boys, and
yes.
one here, one is here,
This
sitting in the
guy.
menu, one is over there, other guy's gone to the washroom. So I'm really happy that life took a turn, and then I'm back on vlogging. अभी अगले ट्रिप पे अपन करेंगे मानसून राइड. हम लोग जाएंगे कहाँ पे? वायनाड मोतुंगा जाएंगे.
Yeah, और कुछ.
Yeah, one rainy season trip mandatory we'll be doing this time, and all. पूरा टेबल हम लोगों ने ले लिया है for our luggage. You wanna say something to us? So आज पहले खाना आने दो, फिर बात करता हूँ तुमसे. बात करता हूँ. This is the menu. तो अपना कीमा डोसा आया है, मटन सूप आया है, कीमा डोसा, प्लेन डोसा विद वन मोर मटन. ये दोनों हमारे दोस्त जो है वो वेजिटेरियन है. So you can see the vegetarian here, the non-vegetarian here.
If you have cold, no, you go off.
Oh yeah, actually if you drink mutton soup, that you like soup, you have cold, it will disappear. This is scientifically proven by Aditya Bhai, because he had cold and now he's drinking, he's disappeared. So yes, now we'll be eating this. So it's currently 9:30 and we are done with our breakfast. So the next location is a dam. You know what the name of the dam is?
Huh?
Name of the dam?
Marcondelli Dam.
Marcondelli Dam. It's around 7 kilometers from here. So that's the major spot we were supposed to meet, but since we were hungry, we stopped here. लेकिन मज़ा आ गया यार नॉन वेज खा के. The veg people will not understand the feeling of it, but it's alright.
Racist.
Race. Okay guys, so now let's get back on our bikes and go to the goddamn dam. Goddamn dam. So we are all geared up. It's around 9:45. It took 15 minutes just to take a photo shoot. And here we are all going. Jaldi kar bhai. Well, we just took a U-turn, but Gaurav went forward. अभी हमको यहाँ से कहीं पे लेफ्ट तो लेना है. So the boys are back. So now we have exited the highway, taken the inside route. Mandya 59. I don't know the name of the dam also properly. I am just following these two guys who have the Google Maps. और मेरे पीछे ये बंदा और ये बंदा. It's a cool group, bro. 5 of us. Is the dam over there. I'm not sure if we're in the right location where the entry is. Entry कहाँ से? So we see a Kawasaki there, so we are hoping the entry is gonna be like this. Akka, entry. इले दिया, okay. No dedicated parking, so हम लोग राइट साइड के साइड पे रखे हैं.
बंद है.
अरे मैं वो ये गेट देखा ही नहीं. हम लोग वहाँ रुके ना डायरेक्ट. So that's where the walk-in thing is, and this is where we are parking our bikes. Sounds so peaceful. And पूरा greenery है भाई. And being Sunday, I thought there'd be people, but there's nobody. There's only us. So our bikes are parked in the shade here. So यहाँ पे रखा है. यहाँ पे हमारा 3 और since this is gonna slide, we kept these two here. What's the time you have any idea? Time क्या होगा? 10 बज गए. So it's around 10 o'clock. We have reached the location. Let's go. So come fast, I'll be there. So there's a small gate here. यहाँ पे ये अटका और वो भी अटका है. अरे कैम गंदा हुआ है क्या? It's pretty cool for this weather. हमको भी वहाँ से चढ़ना भी. To go there, we'll see the view. So we thought we'll take bikes and go यहाँ पे. But only KTM can do it. ये बंदा कर सकता है बस. हमारी गाड़ी नहीं पहुँचेगी. इसका तो R15 जाएगा भी नहीं. बीच में अटक जाएगा. So after climbing all the way to the top, ये view अच्छा था यहाँ से.
हाँ. भाई यहाँ पे तो एक फोटो लेना.
So this is the dam which our Suhas bhai was talking about. ये देखिए लट गया. इसका हो गया. इसका कार्डियो सेशन हो गया. Oh, it's beautiful. So we've been here for like 10-15 minutes. We click good pictures and the boys are enjoying, chilling for a while. सामान वहाँ पे रखा हम लोग यहाँ पे. There's one spot over there. जाके देख के आएंगे क्या है. And it's full greenery out here. It's so peaceful. You can't hear any noise. Only these birds chirping you can hear. It's nice. And you have something here. It's a guide thing. हमें करने का मन नहीं करता because हमको सिर्फ when the guys are together, it's already entertaining. So yeah. So that's where we entered from. यहाँ से चल के जा रहे हैं to come here. So there's nothing much here to see, but it's very peaceful. It's calm. So one day trip breakfast ride के लिए अच्छा है. You can come take pictures. Some kennels and all you can see. If you're lucky, you'll see snake passings as well. So this is.
They locked it. I know.
It's logged. So this place is logged. This is a nice spot. So yeah, one day trip. This is good. You guys can come. फोटो वोटो लेके फिर यहाँ से निकलते हैं यहाँ पे. So we came from there. अभी ये वाला shortcut हम सब करने वाले हैं. So if we go like this, हम will be reaching there itself. लेकिन ये थोड़ा धूप है तो हमको वहाँ से जाना होगा. ये जा रहे क्या यहाँ से? ये this is better actually देखा जाए तो. वहाँ से बहुत steep है रे. यहाँ से चलो चलो मैं चलता हूँ. So I'm the first bakra who's going off-roading. Do not try this at home. घर पे का घंटा मिलने वाला तुम लोगों को ऐसा रास्ता. गिर गया सारा.
अबे राइडिंग बूट्स है भाई.
यार some of them are wearing riding boots. मेरा अच्छा है कि मैंने वुडलैंड का ट्रैकिंग शूज़ पहना है. अरे 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 अरे. It's a nice place though. ये भी ये मिल रहा है यार. You can see fishes over there. I mean if you have a polarized sunglasses. यहाँ पे भी दिख रहा है थोड़ा. अरे गिरा. अबे कोई गिरो यार मस्त व्लॉग आएगा. अबे सुहास आराम से. So guys चढ़ने के बाद पता चला कि यहाँ पे स्टेप्स भी है. लेकिन इस बंदे को बहुत बुरा लग रहा है. This is nice. So the new trail is here. And now we'll be heading back to our bikes. फिर उसके बाद घर. So guys, will be the ending the vlog here. अभी पूरे बाइक्स वगैरह पे रुकने वाले हैं. And now सीधा घर. We're all tired as well. See you guys on the next ride. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe.